What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to Motorista Adventures. Today is another Motorista Tech Day and we'll check out the XiaoMi Yi Dashcam and why this dashcam is my favorite dashcam among all others in the market today. So let's find out in this video. The XiaoMi Yi Dashcam is made from a plastic material which is very durable. It is also small and lightweight and features heat emission holes at the top and bottom of the device. So this camera can withstand the heat inside my car, especially when parked outside, and I've been using this camera now for 6 months and still works with no. This camera has a 165-degree angle lens, so it can actually see the two corners of the front of the car. As well as, this camera is capable of recording at the full HD 1080p 30 frames per second as well as 60 frames per second, and we also get HD recording at 720p. Another nice feature of this camera is that it has a 1.8 aperture lens. It actually means that it lets in a lot of light, especially in nighttime recording. This camera is actually very good. Another feature of this camera is that it has a G sensor that can detect a bump and will automatically record that moment. Now you can toggle the sensitivity to either high, medium, or low. Now we also have an ADAS included with this dash camera, which means that it has advanced driver assistance system. Now I'd like to commend XiaoMi for having this feature, but in reality it doesn't work that well. It's either hit or miss when detecting lanes, so it annoys more than it helps. So I actually ended up turning this feature off, but it's actually nice to have. It can actually transfer images as well as videos direct to your phone through an app called XiaoMi Dashcam. Now it is available for iOS as well as Android, and it makes a lot sense when you have this kind of camera. You can easily transfer images, videos on your recordings. Now if you get into an accident, you can just immediately transfer the files from the dash camera to your phone through Wi-Fi. So what do you get on the box when you buy this camera? So we get the camera, a micro USB cable, a 12-volt USB adapter, as well as a suction cup mount, as well as a 3M mount for a more secure option in mounting the camera.
Now, if you have any comments and suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment below. And if you like this video, hit the like button as well as subscribe so that you can view my future content in this channel. So once again, my name is Adrian and you are watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next video.